I'm here in Rizal to share the hidden gems that you should check out. The plus point is that these spots are just minutes away from Amaya's Caves, Rizal. You'll be amazed at the magic you may find in the Angono Binangonan petroglyph site. The oldest known rock art carving in the Philippines, discovered in 1965. Ma-access mo pa ito for free lang. After some nature and culture walk, start your cafe venture dito sa Art Sector Gallery and Chimney Cafe. Next, Escalera Cafe is perfect for catching the sunset. Grabe yung view, oh. Cozy Hilltop Restaurant offering casual dining with a view of the mountain and city lights. Lots of food choices pa. Coffee stop at Cafe Gia for some chill vibes lang, great drinks, and cozy escape. Cabecera Cafe is also in the area, standing out among the many charming cafes. Lahat ng to just few minutes away from Amaya's Caves, Rizal. If you're staying or living here, activities and food trips are within reach. Plus more nearby spots to check out like the Bunker Park where you can try mini golf, and further down the iconic Pinto Art Museum, isang art experience na hindi mo dapat ma-miss out.